Hello guys, welcome back. So far we have discussed how are we going to work with a string and what are the methods we can use and how we are going to create different ways of string and how to fix the broken string. Okay, so as a continuity of that same video, so we are going to get the information from the user. So so getting some information from the user and displaying into a single string. Okay, so the way we can do that, so input, this is a method which we can use it for getting the information from the user. Okay, so let's give it a simple example. So I'm going to have a variable called name. So name, the user has to enter the input here. So the command says enter your name, enter your name. Okay, so and from or less and input. So where are you from? From interest. So that's another input. So it will take, what's your hobby? Okay, so these are the three things. Okay, let's run this. Okay, something is wrong here. Okay, double quotes is missing here. Okay, run this. So enter your name. So my name is John Dennis. And where are you from? I'm from London. And what's your hobby? Playing football. Okay, nothing else. We just allow user to enter the data. So and we haven't done any operation on that. Okay, let's print the data in a proper output format. Okay, so output. Okay, so my data. My name is my name is John, and I'm from the second parameter enter, and allow to. Okay, so wherever the brackets comes into the place, we need to place the proper variable. So in our scenario, it has to be my name is John Dennis and I'm from London and I love to play football. Okay, so how are we going to achieve this? If I'm going to print the output, nothing will happen. It's just print some random data, not random data, the data which I initialized in the output variable. Okay, let me run this. So my name is John Dennis and I'm from London. Where are you from? And I'm playing football. See, the output data is printed, but the problem is where is my information? So wherever we are placing this particular bracket is a data replacer. Okay, so you can set a value for this. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So the simple way we can do that. So output dot. So we can we have a function called format which we can accept the multiple parameters. It can be number of parameters. It's based on the user input. Okay, so my first parameter is name and second is lives and third is interest. Okay, so how it is going to work? So I placed output. Output is my final outcome. So I'm going to place some data. I mean, before printing the data, I'm formatting the literal. So my name is this open and close brackets. I'm going to replace with the name, and the second replaces with this, and third replaces and allow to That's another parameter. So let me print this now. Let me run this first. So enter your name. My name is, okay, so what's your name? John Dennis, and I'm from London, and I love to play football. See what has happened? My name is John Dennis, and I'm from London, and I love to play football. Okay, it's a kind of getting the information from the user and constructing a proper way, constructing a proper literal and displaying it to the screen. Okay, so there are other ways to do that. I mean, there are a lot of predefined methods which we can work with the string operations. Okay, so in the next video we are going to see some inbuilt predefined methods which can help us to modify the string into a different form. So just give it a try and let me know if you guys have any clarification. Thank you guys.